Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hi, my name is Tati. Welcome to TatyBeauty. Hope you guys like what you see. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you guys can be part of the TatyBeauty squad. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing my May favorites, and if you are interested in knowing my May favorites, please continue to watch, and let's begin by showing you guys my May favorites.
Girl, I like your way, every night and day.
So for my first May favorites, I'm gonna mention the Anastasia Dip Brow pomade. I am using the color Granite. It's the darkest one, and that is what I'm wearing right now. I just love this pomade so much. It's really easy to apply. It's so primitive and it's really long lasting. It's a waterproof pomade. It's amazing for the summer. You can go to the pool with it, and that is not gonna run off, and that is not gonna go nowhere. The next makeup that I also been loving, that I've been using and I cannot stop using, is the MAC Hyper Real Glow. This is the gold one. It's called Get It Glowing. It's really easy to use. The pigmentation is just amazing. I love that it gives you that wet look without sitting on top of the skin. It applies so smoothly. You can build it up for it to give you a blending highlight. It doesn't have no glitter at all. Yeah, glitter free, and it doesn't fade away. Next, I also been liking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I am in the shade Cocoa. This foundation go on really smoothly. It's really easy to blend. It's so affordable. It's a really long lasting foundation, and it's really lightweight. You cannot even feel it on your face when you apply it. The only thing that I really don't like about it is the smell. It has this paint smell, but the good thing is that the smell goes away. I have this liquid lipstick that I've been loving so much ever since I got it. This is the Urban Decay Vibes liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade 1993, and it's the one that I'm wearing right now on my lips. It's a mauvey pink color, so beautiful. It dries down really quick. It's a really long lasting. It doesn't transform. I'm putting pressure and it doesn't transform at all. It doesn't dry up my lips. It doesn't feel sticky. It feels really comfortable. Only thing is that it does fade away on the inside of my lip. The next makeup is the Itsmyrayeraye palette. The pigmentation is like, whoa. It's super primitive. It blends so well. This is a good palette to trouble because it comes with a mirror, it comes with your eyeshadow, and on the bottom it comes with your highlighter and your contour. So it comes all in one. The highlight options are amazing. You have your bright highlighter, then you have your rosy highlighter, then your gold. Next, I also been liking this concealer that I cannot stop using. I use this concealer in every single of my videos. Well, not in every single of it, but most of it, like 90% of my videos, I've been using this concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. So creamy, really long lasting, and it really hides your dark circles or any redness. It applies so smoothly on your skin. I love the coverage that it has. To give you a medium to full coverage. The next makeup that I also been liking is the Anastasia Blush Trio. This is in the shade Peachy Love. I just love these blushes. The packaging is no worse. I love the packaging. The colors is amazing. I love that it comes with variety of color. This is amazing to travel as well if you want to travel with it, because it comes with 3 different colors and it comes with a mirror. The pigmentation is great. A little bit goes a long way, and it's the one that I'm wearing right now on my cheek. I mixed these 2 colors together. The first one is called Nectarine and the third one is called Miami. It's really long lasting. It blends so nicely. The only con that I have about this palette is that the pans are really small, so it's really hard to apply with the regular blush brush because it's so small, so you have to apply it with a small brush. Next, another makeup that I also be liking is this setting powder. This is the Airspun Loose Face powder, and this one is in translucent. It really is a long-lasting powder. It's really easy to blend. It really gives you that natural look to the skin. It's really easy to remove as well. Really long-lasting, and a little bit goes a long way. This face powder does have a smell, but it's not like a crazy strong smell, but the smell goes away. It's the best translucent powder ever at the drugstore. So affordable. It really sets your makeup very well without letting the makeup move everywhere. Next, I also been liking the Makeup Revolution Jewel Collection Gilded palette. This palette is so beautiful. This is another palette that I love, that is amazing to travel because it comes with a big mirror, as you guys can see. The shadows are so pigmented. These eyeshadows under top, these glittery metallic eyeshadows under top are so creamy, so pigmented, so buttery that, oh my god, it feels really buttery and creamy once you blend it. They are not chunky. The matte colors are really nicely as well. I just love the pigmentation on this. All of the colors blend so smoothly. It goes on really beautiful. I love everything about this palette. It is an amazing neutral palette too. The next makeup that I also been liking is this Badescu facial spray. It keeps my skin feeling hydrated. The smell is great. It moisturizes very well. It doesn't feel sticky. Give you that dewy look without making your face look oily. I use it after my makeup and it really makes everything blend so nicely. And lastly, for these my favorites, I've been liking the It Cosmetic Confident in Cream Moisturizer. This moisturizer moisturizes your face very well. It goes on so smoothly and soft. It's not greasy. It does give me a dewy finish without making my face look so oily. So if you have oily skin, stay away from this product. It's really amazing for dry skin. It smells so refreshing. It really keeps my skin so hydrated. It's really long lasting. A little bit goes a long way. I truly recommend it for dry skin. So that is it, my love, for this my favorite. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and as well subscribe to my channel so you guys can be part of the TatyBeauty squad. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you guys can be notified of any new video that I post. And until my next one, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I do like you to bust it to the